is up, you guys? It is Parker here with Deco Exchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Y'all, so today I kind of want to just make a grapevine wreath with some rose stems that I found in my stash. There's 9 heads of roses on this and some eucalyptus. So we're going to make our bow first. And I want to just leave that sitting there. But I want to make a tail, run those together, pinch it. We're going to start off by measuring out 11 inches first. Pinch and twist. Remember, the twist is always the most important part. That's how you're going to show your pretty side, because this ribbon does have a definite pretty side and an ugly side. This being the ugly side, this being the pretty side. Pinch and twist. Next, we're going to go up to 12 inches. Pinch and twist. Inches, pinch and twist. So I believe I want this to be 2, 4, 6, I think 8 loops. 12 inches, pinch and twist. It's 12 inches, pinch and twist. Now we're going to go to 13 inches, pinch and twist. We're going to do another 13 inches, pinch and twist. Oh, that looks pretty, y'all. Okay, so I want this tail in there as well. Okay, so I want a nice long tail, but I want a few more tails. So what I want to do is make sure it's pinched. Just get a length, and that's about how I want it. And I'm going to flip that and come back right behind that. So you should have something just like this. Okay, so you're going to have like a big bubble, like a big loop. Just like that. Another tail and another tail. Okay, so I'm going to get my handy dandy zip tie and my garland tie. I'm making sure to zip tie all those pieces together, all those layers of ribbon. And before I cinch it completely shut, y'all, I like to go back through and just kind of make sure that my bow, my ribbons are facing the right direction. And then I want to cinch it completely shut. So y'all, this right here was our way of adding an extra set of tails without really cutting all the ribbon. That's where I want to put it, top left hand corner. So I'm going to get my garland tie. If you have pipe cleaners, you want to use pipe cleaners, you can. And I'm just choosing to wire this into my grapevine. Okay, just like this. So I want to leave 2 tails coming down in the middle. But now I'm going to grab a tail and pinch it and make me like a little bubble right here. So we're just going to zip tie that. zip tie that one as well. And remember, we're going to have 2 ribbons that are just going to kind of hang down below. I'm going to roll those up. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to dovetail these 2 ribbons. Okay, so now I've cut that. So I'm leaving that. I'm just going to curl those up in there because we want to start adding our greenery. I like to just spread them all out and get down as far as to the base as I can, because that way I'm not cutting these too short. And I'm actually going to use 2 of them, 2 bushes of this eucalyptus greenery. We're going to start off with this greenery first. I always start off with the greenery first, and I call that greening my base, which just means I'm applying the greenery where I need it to be. What we're going to do is just get our hot glue, and we're going to start applying these throughout the wreath. Just like that. Do you see how we've kind of greened our base just a little bit? We're going to go ahead and we're going to keep adding some more in. Okay. So this is what we have so far. Some stems have started peeking out from the back, but that's okay because I can trim those right now. So yeah, look how pretty that looks if you just did the eucalyptus. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to trim these all the way down to the base as well. But I'm also going to trim these. So I'm going to trim that one because there's 9 stems total on this rose bush. Okay, so I'm going to start off using the rose that is just a bud that hasn't fully opened up yet, and we're going to put 1 on the end here and then 1 down here on the bottom. Okay. So then we're going to start to gradually add in these roses. Okay. So that's what we have so far. I'm going to add one of these right back up here, back behind this bow. So I do have these tails long. I am going to cut them. Give my ribbon a nice little haircut. But y'all, look how quick and easy that is. See if I have some white filler flower. I think it's just missing that little touch of white, which I don't want to add too much. But just adding the right amount in there. So we're coming in through and we're adding just those white filler flowers. Just like I said, I think it was just missing that little touch of white. Which really just breaks up all of that red, y'all. So y'all, I really think us adding that white just really made those roses pop.